Okay, I'm going to show you how to rename files all at once. So instead of individually renaming each file, I just kind of want to do it all at once, name them all the same thing, and just have them be food, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, continue on. So instead of clicking in here and changing this to food, and then going to the next one, and do food 2, I want to do it much quicker than that. So all I have to do is highlight them all, or if you use the shortcut Ctrl and A, they'll select everything in the folder. Then we're going to right click and click rename. And the first one that you name is going to be the first of the digits, so it's going to say food 1 is going to be the first one, the next one will be 2, 3, and so on. So whichever one you click on, you right click on to rename, is going to be the first one. So if I do it over here, I'm going to do food and hit enter. Alright, so that first one I renamed is now food 1, and it continues on. So this is great for vacation pictures or any kind of album that you want to do that you just want to rename every single one.